Sometimes in this world there's so much technology, so much going on that it's hard for our brain to take a moment to just breathe. But if you can find the one thing that you love, the one passion that you have, the one thing that makes your mental health strong, you've always got that there at the times when you're in that self-perpetuating pit of doubt, anxiety, stress, fear, depression. You can go to that one thing and that'll help pull you out, but you need to identify that yourself. And for me, that something is being outside. Everything's packed, the temperature is ridiculously warm, bags are in the camper van, we're basically ready to go now. I don't know how we're going to survive this heat though, but look at them little buggers. It's absolutely mentally hot, it's like 32 degrees at the minute, so we're going to probably die tonight. I've just filled up 127 pound of diesel, 2 hours and 17 minutes, and then we're there, ready to be scalded in this ridiculous heat, carrying bags that are far too heavy by the time they've got me beers in. Well, the weather for the night should be perfect. Perfect! We're in Honester Quarry, which is the start of the hike, packing our bags. They are a little bit heavy, if I'm honest, but we have only got 2 mile each way, so it's hardly much of a walk, so we should be right.
Guys, why are you putting me back? It's like carrying a human.
That's all your cack?
Your cat, you put it all in mine. Help us then. When it pushes over, I'll be on my back.
Absolutely sweating already. We literally just came, as we always do in the lakes, just straight up. Oh, Jesus. So warm. It's lovely to be in a little bit of shade, finally. How are you getting on?
I'm alright. I can't believe that's done, don't you?
Well, we're about 2/3 of the way and I'm struggling. Done a big walk Monday, football and that yesterday, and I'm unfit carrying this bag up here. Oh, looking forward to a pint, well, a can and some food. I've already had a little glimpse of what we came here to see, and it looks ridiculous. Absolutely beautiful. So just came out in the garden, trying to get 5 minutes break, just been editing the video, and although the video is a positive thing, it's also kind of a little bit hard and a little bit stressful to make because it brings back sort of memories and stuff that I've been going through recently. And although I've got a great group of friends and although I've got a great support network, some people haven't, and that's where today's video sponsor, BetterHelp, comes in. So if you think you're feeling depressed, stressed, anxious or overwhelmed, today's video sponsor, BetterHelp, is here to help you. Now, BetterHelp offers licensed therapists that are trained to listen and help you. Not only that, but you get to talk to that therapist in private online environment at your convenience. There's a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp's 20,000 plus therapist network that gives you access to help that may not be available in your area. You just fill out a questionnaire to help assess your specific needs, and then you'll get matched to a therapist in as little as 48 hours. Then you schedule a secure video or phone session, plus you can exchange unlimited messages, and everything you share is completely confidential. Now, obviously, should you wish to change your therapist, you can do that at any point without any additional charge. So join the 3 million people plus around the world that are taking charge of their mental health with an experienced BetterHelp therapist. And not only that, as a thank you and to support the channel, BetterHelp are also giving anyone who watches this video who uses the code Chris Sloanes, which obviously also does support the channel, 10% off your first month therapy. And again, I'd like to say thank you very much to BetterHelp for supporting this channel and this video, which is a topic that is close to my heart. But anyway, let's get it finished so you can enjoy it. Back to the video. And there's someone else's tent already here. Bastard. Mauled by flying ants, literally everywhere. I can't lie, this carries on. I'll be back in the van in about an hour because I cannot cope with it. They're literally everywhere. Found a lush spot and literally flying ants have just devoured us both. Been bit. The tent is definitely full of them. Oh, fuck's sake.
I've never experienced anything like that before. Jesus Christ.
So the ants absolutely destroyed us, and no wonder there was no one else in that spot, because it was a beautiful spot, but the ants were just literally everywhere. I'm a bit done in now, but we need to find somewhere. Fingers crossed there's something decent where the ants are not, because it's a bit of a fucking joke now. There's a spot over here that looks hopeful, but up to now I'm not holding my breath because we've had a nightmare so far. It started off so well, and it hasn't done us any good at all so far, but never mind, we plod on. Well, after about 2 hours of sort of mooching everywhere, then we found a lovely little spot, beautiful view down the valley, and then we got absolutely mauled by ants, flying ants. Got bit on my neck. I've never actually been bit by them before, and it actually really hurt. But we found the spot. We're perched a little bit precariously on the edge of the cliff. Luckily I've only got 4 drinks, so I'll not be drunk. Tonight we're cooking some like fajitas.
Like tackle things, aren't they?
Tackle boats, I think that's what they're called. Cooking some of them now on the jet boil, and then we're just gonna eat a load of crap and just chill. I did forget to download anything to my phone and there's no signal. So we'll be up watching the stars tonight. Perfect. So we've just finished our tea and it was lovely. The sun's just went down. It's been hard work, a lot more stressful than I thought it was going to be.
It was just an ant.
The ants were ridiculous.
Oh look, I've got a bite there.
Yeah,
So,
the ants have absolutely ruined us, to be honest. About 10 more of them, they would have been able to pick us up and fly away. How was your first wild camping location?
I'm not going to lie, you've put us on the end of a cliff.
It's not quite on the end of a cliff.
Like that. And like that.
It is not flat at all, but it was either that or have no scenery. There's just something special about being somewhere high up, cooking and eating food, and just no cars, no noise, not even any wind at night.
It is pretty silent though.
Apart from us talking. Yourself. Fucking praising as well.